It's video 4 here from Dr. Klaus Vankman on Monday, November 17, 2025, where my ghosts, they're just like, maybe, as smart as a cat or something. I doubt they're that smart, you guys. Good luck. But if you join my Patreon, look at him. He wants, dude, do you want to join my Patreon in there? Yeah, see, look at him. Oh, hell yeah, he'll join. It's only $4.99, you guys. I was just kidding. It's not $16.99. Someday it will be, though, so you get a discount now or whatever. Ask the ghost. He'll tell you. Whoa, what is that? There's activity in there, you guys. But not